My name is Ghazanfar Shahbaz. You can just call me Gaz. I was in ASC 5, All-Star Code 2018, and currently I'm a rising sophomore at Hunter College studying computer science. The website I have for you today is the Mouseion. It was an app or a website inspired to me by my sister. I had asked her if there was a website that I could create for you that could do anything that you want, what would it be? And she said it would be a website that encompasses something that could provide her a recommendation based off something she's read, or a recommendation for a book that she just finished reading. And honestly, I thought it was a great idea because I watched movies, read books, and played video games, and I don't know what to do next after I finish them because there's nowhere else for me to go. It usually just ends up with me on an endless search to find out what to do next. But fortunately, this app helps us with that. This app will basically provide your recommendation for what you're searching up, and then hopefully that will be something that will be useful to you. Once you press the books button, you'll be greeted with a search bar that will allow you to search for a book by its title and then get a recommendation for it. One of the books that I've read and I really like is Harry Potter. And if you search that up, this is basically a Google Books API fetching the data for you. And then after that, you can use the book description button to get a basic synopsis of the book. A basic synopsis just encompasses the title, the author, and the book description itself. And I imagine if someone wanted a recommendation, they could just use the book description itself and find something that appeals to their liking. After that, you can use the recommendation button that provides a recommendation for you based off an algorithm that I wrote. This algorithm basically encompasses a large data set that matches average rating, average age of a user reading the book, and the publisher rating, and then providing the best match for that, and then getting the recommendation and displaying them on the screen. I believe that once you get your recommendation, you'll be back to get another recommendation for the book that you've just read. And this app and website is basically for anyone that has read a book or anyone that's trying to get into books, because sometimes you just need a place to start, and this could be that place. Currently, I am working on implementing the same algorithm for movies and video games, and I hope to finish that by the end of the summer. Thank you for your time. Thank you for supporting All Star Code. And I just like to say All Star Code was there for me in a time that was really a rough patch in my life, and I'm really thankful for meeting them and having the ability to have a family.